To set up Google ad account, first you need to set up your Merchant Center account, and then you need to set up your Google ad account as well. So you'll go to google.com/merchants. You need to sign in over here. After you'll sign in, something like this will appear. So first of all, you need to verify your website URL. You'll enter your website URL. So right now you can see that it's not verified. So if you've set up your website using Shopify, we'll be using like this. I have access to my server. You can add the HTML or upload the HTML file to your website to verify, and select a method, add a HTML tag to my home page. You need to copy this URL. Go URL. This you need to just paste this URL over here. So it is already done for another account, so I'll not do it again. And then you need to verify that URL. After verifying it, these two will show verified. After doing this, what you need to do is go to your products, and under product feeds you need to add your products. If you're having like multiple products, just click the plus button and you'll enter over here, enter the language English, continue, enter your primary feed name. So there are four options how you can add your products using Google Sheets, scheduled, fetch, upload, content API, whichever suits you best. After doing this, what you need to do is you need to link the account with our account as well. So we'll give you the concerned person's ID, and you need to link your account with that person. Over here you need to just paste that ID and send a link request. After sending your link request, that person need to accept that. Along with that, what you need to do is you need to give the account access to that user. So right now I've given access to you need to add the users, enter your email address. So after doing this, you need to go to Google ad account. You need to set up Google ad account. Google ads. Sign in over here. After signing in, you like if you sign in, you need to add your basic information like your shipping terms and conditions, and like payments. You need to add that necessary things. After doing this, your Google ad account will appear something like this. So this is the Google ad account ID. What you need to do is you need to give that person your Google ad account ID, and then he will send you the request on on this ID. And what you have to do is you need to click on notifications. Over here will be a request, and you need to view that and need to accept that. So the Google ad account will be set up, will be linked with that person. So this is how you will set up your Google ad account, and you'll and along with that you will link with the required person or concerned person as well.